Here's how to remove songs on your Instagram post. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and let's first just walk through an example. So this post that I have, you can see the date here, but it will quickly switch over to the song. Michael Bublé, It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. Now, if I wanted to remove that song, unfortunately, there's not a straightforward way to just tap on it and hit remove, but there is a workaround. Now, on that song, I can remove it, but first I need to go in and make sure that I have an option for branded content. So I'm going to go down and tap on the option that says branded content. You need to make sure it says you're eligible for branded content. Keep in mind, you don't need a professional account to do this, and you don't necessarily need to use that branded content. But on here, it does need to say that you're eligible to monetize branded content. If it doesn't say that on here, try to go through here or see if there are any policy violations here that are preventing you, and basically make sure that it says eligible. Now, after we've done that, we can enable that option on here and remove that song. So go to that post that you wanted to remove the song. And now we're going to go to partnerships and labels. You can see branded content, add a paid partnership label. Essentially what this does is it marks that post as a paid partnership. But by doing so, it will remove the old song. So let's turn this on and then hit done. Now, after we've done that, you'll be able to see I can tap on the post. There's no sound button. And on here, it says paid partnership, but it has removed that song. Keep in mind, down the road, you can always turn off that paid partnership if you feel like it.